Let's upgrade your stream by creating this completely free stream overlay using Canva. I do have several other tutorials for different kinds of YouTube intros or even stream overlays that you can create with Canva, but a lot of people have been asking how you can create one with a free account. And for that, I created an entirely new account that does not have Canva Pro so that I can use all the elements that I know you would be able to. Once you have created your Canva account, if you haven't already, you want to create a new project and make sure it's a video. Of course, you'd want to name your project so that when you save it, you can find it easily. I just named it Twitch Stream. I always recommend your first step being to find your background. You can always look at the elements first and see what kind of vibe you want to go for, but I always select the background first because then after that, I can then choose the elements that go well with the background. I am going for a more floral kind of look. I searched up floral. You can either choose a photo as a background or a video. It's up to you. I couldn't find anything that caught my eye, so I searched up gradient cloud and picked something that I thought was cute. Canva also has an option for if you pick a video or a photo or an element, you can change the settings so that the colors look different. You just hit the edit button at the top tab and adjust. From there, you can adjust the temperature or the saturation. Sometimes they give you the color edit where you can choose a specific color in the element and change that. I also made sure that the video settings were on repeat, so it would automatically start at the beginning again once the video is over for the overlay. To set the video or photo as your background, you just right click on it and at the bottom it says set video as background. It should size it automatically to fill the screen. After you have chosen your background and are satisfied with it, this is the fun part in my opinion. You click elements, go to the graphics or photos, and you just pick whatever elements you think would go best as fillers, kind of like stickers. The good news is if you want yours to look exactly like mine, all of these elements are free, so you don't need a pro account to use these. I honestly forgot what I searched, but you can always search up watercolor flowers or flowers and they should pop up. Now to really bring your overlay to life, you want to animate all of these elements. You select the ones that you want to animate, click the animate button, and there's a bunch of different kinds of animations you can choose from. My go-to animation is always breathe or pan or baseline. Those are what I usually use for almost all of my intros and stream overlays. After your background, your elements, and animating your elements, click on text. This is where you'll add stream starting soon. Things easier, we are going to use one of their font combinations that they already have set for us. There are some for pro users as well, but we are of course using the free version. I thought the glow option went really well with the overlay. This font combination is also just a template. You can change the font if you want to, or change the color of the text, or even the effect if you want the glow to be more intense. You just want to play around with the settings until you get something that looks exactly like how you want it to. Now for the stream starting soon text, I am using the sparkle font combination. I think this goes well with the glow name. Finally, once again, you want to choose an animation for both text and see what looks best for you. You are finally done. All you have to do is hit share and download it, and it is ready to go. I also have a ton of intro and stream overlay templates that you can grab on my Etsy shop. They are all 100% editable. You just have to download them and edit anything you like using this tutorial. It saves you a lot of time and money, all while upgrading your content. The link will be down below for anybody who's interested. I'll also have a secret promo code below so you can save just from coming from this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for some more easy tips and tutorials, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video.